What is up, everybody? This is Moritz here from Section Store once again, and today we are going to be having a look at this shoppable video section right here. As you can see, it does consist of the video on the top, and in the bottom you can add a product which probably represents what is happening in the video, and then you can directly add it to the cart. So if I click on here, you're gonna see that in a second. It says edit, and if we scroll to the top, you can see it is immediately in the cart. And I'm going to show you in this video how you can customize that whole thing and implement it to your very own Shopify store. All right, let's jump right into it. The first thing I did for this was that I headed on over to the Shopify App Store, where I did get the Section Store app. Section Store is a component library with over 200 fully customizable components, Shopify exclusive, and the app itself is a non-subscription app, which does mean you don't have to pay anything for it. And the one we will be looking at today is called Shoppable Video. Like I said already, app itself is completely free, but we do charge a little fee sometimes for a few of our sections. This one is $14, but it's a one-time purchase, also no subscription fee or whatsoever. Means if you bought it once, you'll own it forever. And even if you would delete the app at any point, you would still have the section inside your store, because it's only the code which is getting pasted in there. So it's not going to slow it down at any point or whatsoever. So it's definitely a nice benefit. All right, let's head back to the My Sections area. Another good thing about those sections is that you can fully customize them. You don't need a developer or whatsoever. Here I just added it to the theme I'm using. It does work on every theme though. I'm using the Dawn Live theme, and here you can open up the theme editor after you successfully added it. I've already done so. That is the one you saw in the beginning of the video. So you can see right here, shoppable video. If I would want to add it completely from scratch, I would just have to click on add section and then type in SS shoppable video. That is the one. Just want to show you how it would look like in the default version. And here you can see it does come with 5 items in the default. And here I can just simply click on one, and either I'll put in a YouTube video, or I just select a video I have in my media. You can simply add media inside your admin area of the store. And here I'm just gonna chuck a really random one in. Let's just do the sunset, so you can see that it is immediately getting displayed. And here we have it. And if we scroll down, we could even select an image for that one right here. But what we want to do as well is add a product. So here I'm just gonna put a random product. So you can see right here, this one is getting added. And if I click on add cart, this specific product from your store will get added to your actual cart as well. So that's a really nice way of getting people to buy products and definitely increase your conversion rate. All right, here we could see a little modal text as well. So if I would click on the video itself, a little modal will pop up, which is going to describe it even further. I'm just going to save this one right here. And after that, I want to show you how you can customize the whole thing and not just single items. That's what I just showed you right now. So I'll just head back right here. I will get rid of this one and work on the one which already has some content inside. So the first thing we could do right here is changing the headline, Shopify Videos. Here you can see it's getting updated live in a second. Yeah, there we go. Sorry for that little break. And yeah, bunch of other things we can do with the section, like changing the size of the headline, deciding how many slides we want to see per view. And the one I showed you earlier, we could see 5 per view. And of course, the whole thing is fully responsive. So as I switch to mobile right here, you can see this operates as a little slider. That is looking nice. Let's switch back to desktop. A lot of things you can actually do here. You can decide how the video and image is getting portrayed. So if you want to have it a little bit more like a square, you can do that as well. So you have the square option, landscape, whatever you prefer. I'm not going to go into detail too much, because at the end of the day, you want to customize it to your store look. So much to that. Product title size, all the little sizes here of the texts are changeable. And here you can see as well, if the product wouldn't be available anymore, it would set sold out instead of added. And yeah, I'm just gonna run through this real quickly, and I want to show you one last thing, and that would be that you can change all the colors of those blocks right here. So if I would want to change the button background color, I could just simply select red. And then we're going to wait for a second, and that is looking good to me. Here the arrows are something which play a role in the mobile version. I'll just save it all up. And in the final thing, we're going to have a look at it again in the test store. Let's just let this load up. And there we go. And if we scroll all the way down, we hopefully gonna see the Shop by Videos section with the changes we've done to it. That is looking nice. I'm just gonna add this double mark to the card real quick. And if it says edit, we're gonna double check that again. And yeah, that is that little modal I spoke about with the modal heading, modal text. That's also a nice way. And here you can also add it to the card as well. And if we check our card right here, it should have the double wall mark in there. That is working perfectly fine. I'm happy with that, and I hope you are as well. If you are, definitely feel free to leave a like and a follow. And with that being said, have a good one and peace out.